Hey YouTube world, Trev here from Monthly Missions. I'm in Dead Man's Flats, Alberta. This is like West Alberta, close to Banff, close to Canmore. Canmore is the closest town. But right now I'm going to leave my Airbnb here. Beautiful Airbnb I've got here. Two 70-inch TVs that I can tell. One in the bedroom, one in the living room here. Beautiful couch. Pulls out to be a bed, surrounded by beautiful mountains. Nice little patio out here. It's at the Copperstone Resort. It's an Airbnb on resort property. So I'm in the middle of nowhere, just before Canmore, Alberta, just in a little hamlet here. So I'm gonna hop in this car. I've got a BMW 330i, 5-year-old, beautiful car, loaned to me by a friend, Chef Glenn. Heads up to you, Chef Glenn. Thanks very much for the loan of it. I'm gonna jump in this beautiful car and go find Banff Gondola. I was here in town actually a few weeks ago, but I had to call a trip short because of things just happening, negative things happening in my life, so I had to come back early. I didn't make it to Banff Gondola, so hopefully I can find it today. And look at the huge step here, eh? Like they should put some sort of step in there as well as going inside too. A big step down. Looking that. Nice full-size bathroom. I did a walkthrough already, but thought I'm on my way out to the car and just thought I'd show. Big king-size bed. Nice TV. Fan courtesy of Jay. Heads up, Jay. Thanks for the use of it. Heads up to Van. Heads up to Jeff. Hey, you guys. I'm loving this Airbnb, though. Okay, so I have everything. Keys. I'm just going to leave the lights on and stuff. Wait till you see the walk to this, where the car is. Like, okay, this is my Airbnb, right? It's a little confusing how to get back. I gotta lock it. So you come down here. I should actually count my steps. Come down here to the right. And every door in, you have to have a code. Code to get into the apartment, code to get into the underground garage, code to get into the pool. Well, it's actually a hot tub. It's like a 10-person hot tub in there. There's nobody in there. It's little. Look at the money they put into this fencing. That's probably equal the amount of the freaking hot tub. Anyways, might check it out later. I have swim trunks with me. So there's my entrance, 2101 to 2218. I'm in there at 2110. But that's the confusing part. Look at this. I had to park in a different parkade. There's not one under there. So it's a little bit of a walk to get to where I parked the car. But then I had to remember what building the car was under. See, there's 3101 to 3209. So I had to remember that I came from over here in the 4000s. So the car is parked below here. And then my Airbnb is way over there. Okay, so enter this building, do my code again. So now that I'm in this building, which looks very similar to the other, especially with these wheelchair ramps, I didn't hit the down button. Everything's super clean. I like it. So now that I'm down here, Glenn's car is right there. Watch this, I don't have the keys on my hand at all. I'm walking towards the car. And it knows it. Isn't that funny? So, how am I going to do this? I think I might put this on pause for a second.